Alright, welcome. Let's add some lights to some wreaths without spending a lot. Pre-lit light wreaths can be pretty expensive, running up to close to $300. Instead, what you can do is just get one that's unlit. Get some string lights, LED string lights. This one's from Amazon, about $23. And then just put them on the wreath. Start off by placing a zip tie on there, and then just start weaving, zigzag the lights. This may take a few go arounds. Keep zigzagging that and just tying it to the leaves there. This took several go arounds, like I said, so keep going. And then once you're done, put another zip tie at the end just to make sure it stays in place. And then just unruffle the thing, unruffle the leaves so that all you're seeing are not just wires, you're seeing the actual wreath. Try it out and then hang it and enjoy. Thanks for watching.